Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I will be making spaghetti and some brownies. But these are the ingredients that I use. On this scene, I'm just cooking my ground beef. I have onions in it. I didn't put any seasoning in it while I was cooking it because once you drain it, you're not gonna taste your seasoning, and the seasoning going with the oil or the grease or whatever. So I waited till after my ground beef was done. The seasoning, and I already boiled my water for my noodles and put oil and salt in it. That was it. Now I'm just showing you the box of brownies that I'm making. Really easy, pretty simple. This see, I'm just pouring the brownie powder into the bowl. Use a bigger bowl if you have one, but I had one but I got cracking, so I didn't want to use it. So you can use whatever you have in your house. Like, it really doesn't matter at all. And this is the fudge pouch that came with the brownies. You just pour it in there with the powder. I think I used 3 tablespoons of water and 1/3 cup of oil and 1 large egg. I think I used that. I think I don't have a box with me because it's in the trash. But just follow the instructions on the box. Whatever brownies you have or you're going to get, just follow the instructions. That's what I did. My ground beef is done, so I'm just showing my seasoning. That's Italian season. I think at the end, well, off camera, I put more seasoning in because I tasted it and it wasn't seasoned enough for me, so I put more seasoning in it. But you can use whatever seasoning that you like in your meat. I use what I like in mine, so you use whatever you want with your desired taste. Like, you don't have to follow my instructions. This is how I make mine. There's not a recipe or anything like that. So use whatever you have. Use whatever you like. It's all your decision. But that was seasoned salt, and it is guarded. I should use the guard that I had in the refrigerator, but it doesn't make it all the same. But this my noodles all done. Just rinsing it in cold water so it can stop the cooking. That's it. Spaghetti all done. I'm just stirring all the sauce in together. I use prego sauce, the three meat. The meat, not three meat, but meat kind. But in this, I like sugar in my spaghetti. Like, I don't know nobody else, but I like sugar in mine. So I just pour a little bit. And then I taste it and I wanted some more. So I just pour more in there. But if you don't have spaghetti in your, not spaghetti, but you have sugar in your spaghetti, you're missing out. You is missing out because it is so delicious. Like, oh my God. But this is my brownies. I should have waited until it's cooled down. Like, that's my garlic bread. I put my spaghetti in with cheese. But next time we use sliced cheese. I really like the cheddar shredded kind. But this is my food all done.